Hey everybody, Don Dabney. I'm the owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a stunning 1961 AC Aceca Coupe. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, we're going to go under the car, we're even going to take a ride in it. Car starts easily, it gets down the road nice and quick and smooth. Suspension, braking, steering, everything feels nice and tight. We've got all working gauges with the exception of the clock, I believe, and just nicely appointed. Beautiful wood, lovely leather, smells fantastic, and working blinkers. We're cruising along. We're just between 50 and 60 miles an hour here. Unfortunately, I can't go any faster than the guy in front of me, or I would. And what a special car. I've had ACs in my career. I've never had an Aceca. So this is just a really fun thing to have such a special car. And there goes the overdrive. Shifts smoothly. And once the overdrive's on, we're going a little over 60 miles an hour. Our RPM gauge says we're at about 2,300 RPM. So you can get on the highway and drive the car and, you know, relax a little. So we just turn the overdrive off. We downshift to third. And now down to second. And just what a great driving experience. This is a wonderful little car. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number's right there on the screen. You can check out, if you're not seeing this on my website, you should go over there. There's a lot more photos at leftcoastclassics.com, leftcoastclassics.com, and I have all these photos, hundreds of them in high resolution available, and I'm happy to send you a link to my Dropbox if you want to check that out. We welcome inspections, appraisals, anything you might need to feel up and comfortable with the purchase of the car. I encourage you to check out my Google reviews. We're 5 stars only after years. So anyway, that's it. You can get in touch anytime, call or text. Be sure to check us out on 3 episodes of my favorite car show, Wheeler Dealer. We did an old, a long time ago, 10 plus 14 years ago, something. We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. We did a Lancia Fulvia, a red one. I think in 2018. That was a fun episode. And then we did a very unusual episode that had never been done on Wheeler Dealer with Mike on a one-owner Triumph TR4A that I had many years ago. That's all available up online, I believe. And again, thanks for checking out this beautiful AC Aceca. All right, let's walk under the Aceca, and you can see it's just super tidy and clean under here. Very nice. Start up here. See all the suspension, disc brakes. Very little use, but some. The battery area, it's all tight, clean. Oil pan, transmission with overdrive. Your exhaust looks like an older muffler. Overall, very nice under here. Okay, so normally I'll go around the lower parts of the cars with a magnet, obviously. Aluminum car, that's not going to do us any good, but I still want to show it to you. It does have a little bit of stuff from the road, but it's super beautiful. It's clean down here. Those are just, that stuff comes right off. It basically looks as good down here as it does up top. Super smooth and clean. See, the door alignment's really nice. They did a great job on the paint. Smooth. Let's keep mowing around. By the way, I took the license plate cover off. It was just not fitting quite properly. I think the rubber should be replaced. It was a little dry. It's in the back of the car. That's just dirt there, so it's just very, very clean down here. Very nicely done. Very smooth. Let's head around to the front. A little bit of dirt from the road here, but very nice. It's not scuffed up or anything.